What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on FET, because this coin just broke this really important resistance area on the daily time frame, and in this video I will show you the exact entry and the exact strategy that I'm currently watching on this coin. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the daily time frame. As I said in the intro, we just broke this important resistance area, which is between level 0.605 and 0.566. Right now, I am waiting here for a support confirmation, and this will give us two possible entries into a long position. The first one will be valid after a support confirmation just above this resistance area with a stop loss under this resistance area, and the second one will be valid after support confirmation and also a breakout of this previous week high. So the first long scenario can look, let's say, something like this. As I said, I'm waiting here just for that support confirmation, and of course the support confirmation needs to be really perfect, because if it will happen, for example, here, then the risk reward ratio is not that good anymore. Stop loss, as I said, you can put it just under this resistance area, so let's say level approximately 0.562. And the last take profit target, well, you can probably put it somewhere under these previous highs, because this will be really important resistance. Definitely also take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you can take under this previous week high. You can see that the same high is currently here. That's why I don't want to open here like a long position. Next profits you can, for example, take under these previous lows. This will be important resistance, then under these previous highs, and then save some moon back to the last take profit target, which in the end will give you a risk reward ratio, let's say around 7.6. So after taking multiple take profit targets, it will be, let's say, around 5, which is still pretty good. And the second long scenario can look, for example, like this. As I said, I want to wait here for the support confirmation and then breakout of this previous week high. As you can see, this setup is not as good as the previous one, because the stop loss is now like 15 almost percent of a net loss, and the estimated profit is only 50%. So the risk reward ratio is like 3.3 if you will have just one take profit target. So in my opinion, this second setup, and if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be like 2.5, is in my opinion not worth of taking that risk. So I will be like speculating only for this one. On the other hand, there is also an opportunity for a short trade. As you know, I am always saying in the videos that for a short trade, you need to have a fake out of that resistance area. So if the market will now do, let's say, something like this, and we will confirm the resistance under this resistance, of course, if there will be the support confirmation, the short setup is not valid anymore. But if there will be a resistance confirmation, you can open here a short position. The last take profit target, you can, for example, put it above this bullish order block. But in my opinion, there is simply not that high probability that we are actually gonna go here. So I think safer would be like place it above this previous low, so let's say a level approximately 0.3357. The stop loss, yeah, probably the most reasonable according to TA will be to put it above this current week high, but again, in that case we will only have your risk reward ratio 2.24, so I think it's like just better to take here a higher risk, because you can see that historically, if there was that big fake out, there wasn't another one anymore. So I think that if there will be a resistance confirmation, there is simply not that high probability that we are actually gonna go swipe that liquidity again. So if you will choose, let's say, more risky stop loss, the risk reward ratio will be around, let's say, 4.5, which is in my opinion not that bad. If you will take multiple take profit targets, it will be, let's say, around 3.5. If we look on this coin from a long time perspective, you can see that this is looking pretty bullish right now. So yeah, the main important thing is to wait just for the upper confirmation. But in my opinion, more reasonable here is opening a long trade, because this coin already, let's say, did pump around 225% of a net profit from this previous low. So we have here like a nice uptrend and nice bullish momentum. So once there will be that upper confirmation on the daily time frame, I have like no reason not to open here another long position, because it can bring us really interesting profit. But anyway, this will be all for me for today. Thank you again everybody for watching this video, and if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But anyway, as I said, this will be all for me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.